Here's a script for a 5 to 8 minute YouTube video on Credit Score Explained, targeted at young investors in 2026. Imagine you're trying to rent a luxurious apartment, but the landlord needs to check your credit history before approving your application. You got a decent income, a great job, and a spotless record, but your credit score is a whopping 600 and you just can't seem to get approved for a decent interest rate on a loan. This is the harsh reality for millions of people worldwide. In the United States, a recent survey revealed that nearly half of adults have a credit score below 700, limiting their access to affordable loans, credit cards, and even apartments. Credit scores are calculated based on factors like payment history, credit utilization, credit age, and mix of credit. Think of it as a report card for your financial habits. A good credit score, typically above 700, can save you thousands of dollars in interest payments over the years. So, how do you go from a credit score of 600 to 800?